Hello, guys. My name is Chris Hato. I would like to welcome you to a special program that is coming up in Lagos, in Yaba precisely, at the end of the month, Saturday, the 31st of August, in Lagos, Yaba. We are having our first productivity seminar in Lagos, and we shall be discussing how to make money from real estate in Lagos. The venue is the National Library of Nigeria in Yaba, Alagomeji bus stop, about Macauley Road. So spread the word, tell your family and friends that lives around Yaba and its environs. If you're a student in Yaba Tech, University of Lagos, all right, we encourage you to register for the forthcoming program at the National Library of Nigeria in Yaba, Alagomeji. So, as I said, we'll be discussing how to make money from real estate. More details will be coming up. All right. But however, through the number that will be displayed on your screen, you can send us a WhatsApp message. And of course, you have the opportunity to pick our book. All right. Real estate as a source of income. Real estate as a source of income. You can go to www.propertymindset.com.ng. All right. So see you on Saturday, the 31st of August 2024 by 10 a.m. The National Library of Nigeria in Yaba, Alagomeji. See you there. Don't miss the event. You and I will make money together. God bless you. My name is Chris Hato. Bye.